everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some no mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. Today's Valentine's Day book is a 5.5 by 5.5 mini album. We've got bird cages on the front, and you see there's a little bit of a red glitter detail on the bird cages. The rosette has some hearts on it, and that says number 14. And this will open up. There's room here for a 5 by 5 or smaller picture. The typewriter keys are adorable. And we've got a couple more of the hearts with light glitter detail, the music sheets, and the coordinating page, polka dots, and the coordinating page. And here we have the detail of the hearts and the love on that. But there is more room than just what meets the eye. All of these pages have a photo mat inside. So the photo mats measure 4.25 by 4.25. So you could add 12 photos just in the photo mats plus the front and back. So you could get 24 photos in this book. So that is a cute little book. There's the back cover that matches with the front. So that is what I have for you today. Just a cute little mini album for a quick little gift. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop, which is listed in the description box below. Thank you again for watching and have a fabulous day.